Come with me to Marrakech. This is the best place you can choose to kick off your vlogging.
I love the air here, it's like medicine.
This is a hands-on training course in smartphone video for business. You'll do individual as well as some group practice. We're going to work on your structure and put a visibility plan together for you. We'll be staying at an ideal place for you to focus and get clarity on your business, with outdoor pool, spa and spacious rooms.
So you have to have a play around and see what works best for you.
I want you to get clarity on your visual content. Relax your mind in this amazing environment while focusing on your own business. And of course, we'll take the opportunity to visit the old MEDINA in Marrakech, where you can capture the colors and the scents with your camera or in your heart. Come with me to the Visibility Mastermind weekend in Marrakech. For more information, click on the link next to the video and book your space now.